What's up, Tech Fam? Welcome to GSK7, your go-to destination for the latest tech news, reviews, and insights. From smartphones to laptops, gadgets to gizmos, we've got you covered. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of tech together. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to GSK7. Today, we're reviewing the Apple iPhone 15 Pro, the latest flagship device from the Cupertino giant. Let's see what it has to offer. The iPhone 15 Pro boasts a powerful Apple A17 Bionic Chip, a stunning 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, a quad camera setup, and a massive 3,650 mAh battery with fast charging support. But is it worth the hype? Let's find out. So, there you have it, folks. The iPhone 15 Pro is a powerhouse of a device that excels in performance. Camera capabilities, and display quality. However, it does come with a hefty price tag and some minor drawbacks. If you're due for an upgrade and want the latest and greatest from Apple, the iPhone 15 Pro is definitely worth considering. Apple iPhone 15 Pro, the Pro Flagship of 15 series by Apple. Apple is working on Apple iPhone 15 Pro, the Pro Flagship of 15 series by Apple. Apple is working on the iPhone 15 series, and now the new Pro variant that we are going to discuss. In fact, this series is going to have different variants, such as the base variant, the mid variant, and the Pro, or perhaps the Pro Max variant as well. According to all the new leaks about the new Apple's iPhone 15 Pro, this smartphone is rumored to have a body made of a titanium frame, with curved edges, as discussed previously in our post about iPhone 15. Now looking towards other specifications. This Apple iPhone's 15 Pro could be launched with the powerful Apple A17 Bionic Chip with the addition of a hexa-core CPU. Their incredible performance has made both of them very well known throughout the world. After that, the iPhone 15 Pro could have a triple camera system or a quad camera setup. This camera setup has not yet been confirmed in terms of the configuration of the lenses that it will use. This Apple 15 Pro is expected to be launched with a massive 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED capacitive touchscreen display that supports a full HD plus resolution of 1170 x 2532 pixels and has an I-don't strengthen glass coating for protection. This brand new 15 Pro could be equipped with a big 4,300 mAh battery pack with fast charging support, if the leaks are to be believed. As a result, this flagship could beat all the other brands. This new iPhone 15 Pro by Apple will put Samsung and other brands in competition in the market. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech-related content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you in the next video.